You disable the power now. Power is disabled. Not go past the end of travel. It also has a huge bolt on it. Okay, so this is what I'm looking to do, is to put this.
Trevor requested past max access.
There you go. See?
That's nice.
Okay. Now what I want to do is go from the center of this to the center of that. Can you see?
With a level?
Yeah, or a ruler, something like that. Show you what you.
Center. I think a little level.
Okay. Well, here.
I'm gonna hold it. You can look.
I want you to look.
All right.
You can scoot over whatever it needs to do. Okay. Yeah. So if you look now, you can see I put my thumb on and creased it a little bit, so
Yeah.
you can see the
That's
circle,
pretty good.
and it's almost dead center.
I'll set that at 300 meters.
The washer get a little more beef, because this one was. That should be pretty damn close right there. Let's check it again with the tape measure. I can check it from this angle pretty good. Yeah. I like it. Okay. See how it does.
Get closer.
Tape. We need some fire retardant tape.
Put some mylar tape on there.
Oh.
That's pretty
Looking
damn
good.
close there. It looks a little bit more to the left. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky.
I'm gonna bring the yoke over close.
Because you can spend, I did this once before, you can spend half an hour getting this perfect in this position,
All right.
and you move it out and find out it's not even close. So what you do is 100 millimeters that direction.
Okay.
Not more, just 100. Good. Now I'm going to pop it real quick. Okay, that actually looks pretty good. We got maybe very lucky.
Another 100.
Yeah, take it way out. 200 more. Don't. One more. Okay.
Low.
It's a little bit low, and it's a little
Slightly
bit
to the left.
Yeah, so to bring it up, we turn this out a little bit, and then we'll also take it to the left. I want a fraction. Okay, so now it just needs to come straight up. It went too far to the left. It went up too far too. It's low. Okay, so now
Looking good, but has to come up just a little.
it went too far to the left. Put your hand over. Okay, it is still got to go to the left ever so slightly. I mean, to your left, my right. So that means this has got to go.
That means they both have to be retracted just a little. Is that thing spring loaded?
Yes.
That's it.
That's it, right there.
Yep. It's a
Anything?
tad low, but adequate.
All the way full travel. Little bit to the. No, it's up and down. It's almost perfect. Or is it still burning?
No.
Okay, so that tells you,
Have to retract the top.
no, this has to come up. In other words, we're up so. It is still. Run me all the way back and let's see if we're still near the center of it. So that means this has got to go. Just hit. Yeah, that's fine. You home why? I did home. That's smart guy. That's it, right there. Alright, so this is actually
230.
Yeah, you have a better frame on it than I do because you're looking right around here.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so now we move.
it's actually,
A little high.
I'm high, but when I get down there, I was a little bit high there too.
Let's run it back and test.
Hold on a second. Let me adjust this here and then take it out there for the fine tuning. Did you find those wrenches?
Advance the top just to bring it down.
We're assuming that the vertical part of this is the right part. We were supposed to have two of these guys in here so we could adjust this up and down.
Two standoffs?
Yeah, we can't. We actually can set these standoffs out. They're male-female standoffs. We can actually screw it down and bring that up if we need to.
Okay.
I mean, it's so close right now. I don't know that I want to try and adjust it.
I say let's put a spot on it here.
Probably way too much.
Great. That looks great.
No, it doesn't really look great. Let's start with a new hoe. Fire in the hoe. See, it's a little bit high still, and it's almost, and it's a little bit to the left still. So
No, it's pretty good left right. It's not 100 microns off left and right.
oh yeah, it is. Watch out. Still up a little bit. Here, you stay here. We can't have a tail go in front of the beam. Thank you. Yeah, so I want it to go. Yeah, that's perfect. It's closer. All right, can you give me new fresh tape? Fire in the hole. Can you move it over for me? His new name is Burns. That
Real good, just a
looks
little low.
fine, yeah. And I don't know that it,
Ну, чувак, он говорит, это не мотор. Что-то он сам сказал.
can you move it over now?
That looks good.
Yeah. Okay, run it back now to me. It's supposed to be in the same spot in all four corners. So I think at this point, if this is off, we have to elevate something. It has to be that mirror. So it needs to come up that much. Which is just about an M5 spacer. How do you like them bananas? Okay, so we need to get underneath there and remove these two screws. We need to come back. It's actually more forward there than here. Just like I did. That might be over now. It looks like we got some adjustment going on. That's pretty good. Lock it down. Greg took the whole day to get his first one aligned. Of course, he's more picky than I am. Fire in the hole. All right, so that says it's currently,
Low and to the right.
yeah, but we're not going to adjust this.
Okay.
Add some mechanical adjust. We got the height. The height is almost perfect.
Let's run the same test all the way back and see what the difference is or not.
Sure. Go that way. 4 clicks. There you go. Fire in the hoe. So it's low there, which means,
You do need to adjust the mirror up.
yeah, and right. It went up, but it did not go right. That's more to the right.
A little low. Looks good left and right.
Move the tape one more time. would you?
That looks good.
But what we do want to do is see where we're at from the center of this coming up.
Oh, I got you.
All right. Now, one thing we can do before we go any further.
Drop the tape down.
Okay. Is use the Winter Gewürzsnicker. So if you put this on, you should get a red dot out of it. See the red dot? And this is not perfect, but it's
Oh, that's shit.
well, okay. So we're gonna take and adjust this. See how you can move it around?
that's cool.
Yeah. Sure, you betcha. Okay, so now you see that, right?
Alright.
And that's telling us how far off this is, because even from here to here, that sucker should be hitting that other mirror.
Right.
Well, that's what's cool about this, is you can actually get away with it. The hammer in the way.
A lot of adjustments.
Yeah, it's much easier. Now that's off so far, I would be very tempted to actually loosen one of the screws and rotate around it, but
I'll bring it back a little bit and do just that.
this is as far out as that one goes, which means this has got to go in.
Watch out for your cable when you move that.
Yeah, good point. Target action here. This guy's binding on me, so I need to go and put that in and turn this with some pliers to get it back a little bit further. Alright, I got this. I got pliers over there. Huh. It was on a little tiny nub or something.
Huh.
Now it's fine. I was never going to get that with my fingers.
Need to push it a millimeter or so.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the tape.
See if it goes in a hole in the glass. Okay, so we need to
Well,
back
you just
it
need to
up.
get to the middle of the tape in the hole here. So, move it.
Alright, I'm doing. Say when.
It's pretty good right there, I'd say. Alright, so now we've kind of coarsely adjusted it.
I'm going to take this out and put a tape on the bottom.
Well, we don't know if this is up and down to the center. We just, see, that's the thing. You got to be careful because we've adjusted this a lot, although it should be very close. When I did this last time, it was right on the center of the, exactly, the Flickenschnicker.
Glasses on. Yeah, it doesn't look half bad. I'm going to scoot it away a little bit.
It's a little bit off when you look at it, but that's up close, so that's mechanical. So we put it on like this. It could go down a fraction, okay, mechanically down,
So we can
and we
advance the
could
top
go
screw.
this way.
And this top screw will do both.
And, well, these two, no, I want to physically move this a little bit further this way.
Okay.
See, like a 1/16 of an inch. So we're going to loosen those and push this forward, and I actually have a good reference point to this, so that's the wrong one.
2.5. You want me to loosen any position?
Well, there's a good reference point here, so. I don't know if I can get to the reference point. No, here. Let's see what I have to do. It's not pretty, but I'm going to go do it.
Right in the slot.
I'm going to make it, a little bit further down there. unwind both those slots. Which means we have to come back and reset the tape on the first one, but
That's what you gotta do.
that should be it. Testing!
Listening, glasses on.
Okay,
It's
it's got it.
slabby, but
No, no, no.
needs to come up. It's good.
No, it's not up. It's not up. It just goes over. Hold on a second. I'm in the wrong chair. You got to get down to the level of the working piece.
This should be on a lift. Looks good.
One more piece of tape. Because I don't want to do the next adjustment until this one's perfect. That is low, but a bullseye otherwise. So I think we're pretty good. Can you run this all the way back to me?
No.
And your screwdriver. Since we had tightened it up, it may actually get a little stiffer. Yeah, it'll raise it up by doing that. She said.
So I lowered it down actually.
Whatever it did, it did. Yeah, so I made it all the money. Here.
It didn't look like a money shot.
That looks great.
That looked great.
All right, 400 out.
Elia, wear glasses when you come in here.
He's not wearing glasses? See,
No.
that's what I was saying. How can you keep 5 people wearing glasses? They're going to run in and out all day long.
Did you have glasses on during that last test? No.
Sure as hell do. These are polycarbonate lenses. The only way you can get me is if it comes off the sidewall and comes back, and it ain't going to do that.
Should I get rid of those mirrors on the wall?
Way close.
So we shoot at the disco ball.
Huh? Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Can we put a little mini disco ball in here?
Low. I think it was good when I retaped it.
Yeah, retape. You know, if you just hold your finger there, it'd probably be more durable than the tape. A little low.
You notice Davo isn't wearing the protective gloves.
He's got a condom on. Don't worry.
Oh, yeah.
That's about as close as I'm going to get it. All right, now put one underneath. Actually, let's not do that. Let's put the red dot back on.
Okay.
Because we took it all the way off,
Yeah, right.
and I think it would be easier to stick the red dot back on. You want to go ahead and insert it with your daintiness?
Give it a shot. Slide that motherfucker like that.
Be very careful with it, because those cables are very sensitive.
Just like that.
Yeah, that's far right. You can squeeze it just. Yeah, see, it's off. Now, we're going to adjust it with this, because we already know that we went pretty close to the center of that.
That's way off.
Where is it down there?
You just steered it that way, so.
Oh, I should put some here.
Now that doesn't mean we're close, because we could be off, but at least we got a straight line
Yeah.
through there. Piece of tape on this side, fire it close. know when you're ready.
Ready?
It's to the right.
Yeah, need to expand these two or retract,
Well,
retract this
wait. It's one of two things. Either this needs to go further that way, or this is really screwed like that.
So let's test down here.
You don't have to go very far. If you go 100 millimeters, it's going to be off. Go 100 millimeters that way. Yeah, it's going to be almost off the planet, if that's what I think it is.
Same spot.
Same spot?
Slightly lower to the right.
Okay, then that says that this still needs to go that way quite a bit. No. Oh yeah, come towards me. You're right. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. Okay, so you got your 2.5 millimeter guy? What is it? What did you do? No. If it's in the same spot and it moves, it needs its parallel. You don't dick with this. We bring the whole thing in. Look, it's like it's like a square. So you're doing that with it, right?
Back the way it was.
Okay, so let's loosen these two and drop it over. And
We got the wrench.
Oh, you really? Because you're the one who tightened it last.
No, you're the one that tightened it.
Okay, if I tighten it last, it'd be right here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, it's on the bed.
Here. I'm sure I didn't stick it next to your coffee cup. My pantalones are on fire.
Put the whole thing back. Less than a millimeter.
Well, it's actually pretty far back on that. So what I would do is bring it back to level.
You want to put the light back in while we do this?
Actually, I'm going to do this. Bring it back to square on this. There, tighten them up. Okay. Now we want to put one paper dot there. Dude, that is like so close to the center. Run to me. The way he pushes those buttons.
I know.
Why am I getting hungry? Oh, I didn't have breakfast. And you're gonna like this.
Looks good.
It's close. So I'm gonna say that
Check it back here again, then tighten those two screws
let's
down.
just see where we're at here. Here you overdid the screw. Can you move it to me as far as it'll go? No, this, that way. Is that full travel?
Yep.
Okay. It's got a lot more travel.
So if you've reached limit of travel requests,
Is that 700? Go look at the settings on it.
the X relative is 700.
Settings.
Settings.
Center. Change the 650 to 700.
What are
Max
we looking at?
travel. X.
Where's your max travel?
Left.
Max travel 650. Gotcha.
It's 700. Click apply settings. Apply. Okay. Now push it to the left. Stop. Now let's see what it is. It's very close to the center here. So that tells us that it is indeed the mirror at this point. And a lot of smoke coming out. Okay, if you can move it that way 100 millimeters. And now I'm going to say that this needs to go in. Another 100 millimeters. Very close. Okay. Run it. Keep going. Don't stop now. You're gonna be a star someday. In the center, we need to go up, which
You can
means
use the longer screw. No, longer screw and nuts with the star washer. That's it.
Start pushing.
Yes. No. I mean not with the star washer like you're using it here. Same thing.
Okay.
So you're gonna get this screw and 3x5, right? Go ahead and take M3x6.
Looks pretty damn good
maybe
right there.
3x8. And use
Run it out in the Y again?
not with star washer.
Try it at the far corner.
no, not yet. All right, run it back to
You can go
here.
around. You don't have to go back. You don't need this.
work.
Yes. You just put it, go ahead and get the screw.
All the way. Is it a motion fault?
What happened?
Nope. See if you can move it that way.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Keep going. Okay, so what I've got is up close.
A little higher up.
Move it
close.
that way a little bit for me. There, that's good, that's good.
Remember yesterday I showed you here 5, 6, 8. Try 8. 6 also. Take
Run
6
it back
with
to
you.
here, would you? As far as it'll go.
Игорь еще это тоже туда делаешь, я могу подготовить.
Can you rent that one? That looks like it's far enough. I need a 2.5 millimeter driver. So I have it up and down where I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and set the stop. Now when we put it back in, it's in the right place. Make sense?
And right orientation.
You understand what I'm trying to do?
Well, now you can remove the lens and put it back in. Okay, so now I'm just going to do it. That's very
Which one was
close.
that? This one?
You see the halo?
You're using wrong screw.
So
last night
it needs to
gave
come
you
this
the
way
right screw.
and
You
up.
see, this is too small.
So I'm actually just going to do it with this.
You see? What do you fix? You fix it? It's spinning around. So you think you fix it?
That's pretty damn
That's
close.
why I told you. So,
Looks like it's,
A little bit to the rear.
yeah, but I think it's actually just about right where, that's going to move it up.
Короче, пусть пока у меня не садится.
I want it to go up and to the left.
Nice.
Yeah, except that it might be a little bit too far. It's very sensitive at this point because you have a long distance you're traveling. Yeah, it's too far. I'm moving this the smallest amount. It's just magnified by so much.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good.
It does look good.
Do you have the keys to the van?
To the white one? Yeah. It's a Carl's one.
My van.
Oh, hey!
Hey, how you doing?
Good to
Want us
see
to
you.
move it? Good to see you.
Yeah, could you move it over just a little bit so they can get in there to cut those heads?
Not a problem. The key is on my desk, right to the right-hand side. You can't miss it.
Okay.
Those hedges grow. I don't know why.
More tape? Yeah, more tape.
You better stop putting all that crap on
It's not crap. We're peeing on it.
Hey, it must be working.
So much
We decided
bullshit
to
it flows
save
out
the
the
water.
door.
It's so much bullshit that flows out the door. Well, that's
So that little tint to the bushes where the extra bright, you know how it's getting there.
absolutely. Absolutely.
Wow, that's sexy. Could be just a little bit higher, but I think
Let's
it's
not
fine.
get carried away. Okay, so let's put it on the bottom now. Stick it on the bottom, the exhaust pipe. And it needs to be very close to the dead center of that. Okay, now we're good. It should be close because we adjusted that
Right.
mirror in place. If it's not, we're going to put it back on there. Okay, you made a nice dimple in it.
Yes.
Okay, here we
Oh,
go.
it fell off. Hold on.
Holy crappa!
I can't.
Unbelievable.
Do you believe that?
Take it out. I don't want that smoke in my mirror.
A little bit off center.
Throw in the
Laser doodle.
you got it, the laser doodle, and use that to adjust it. And adjust it from right there too. That'll give it the maximum sensitivity.
Not too high, so can you put a taste of tape down there so I can see where it's going?
Well, no, you're not there. You got to drop it down.
I know I do, but
Well, once you get to the center of that, you'll be right on here. See?
Yep.
There you go. That a little no, you just had it.
I need to come this way a little bit.
And you're not on the center of my thing.
How about now?
It's pretty close. You know what? That should be good enough. Take it out. Stick your tape back.
Need more tape.
Holy shit.
You know,
We're on a budget
how
here,
much does
okay?
he need?
Oh, it's so needy. I want a bigger motorcycle. I want a hotter girlfriend. Sounds like
I didn't know those were negotiating points. We gotta go back to the table.
I want Larry to pack my chute for me.
A little bit far to the back.
I wouldn't adjust it.
Okay.
Let me see. Put this on the front of the hole. Here, up top.
I see.
See if we're on the center still.
Put your
Or
fingers.
move your fingers instead of massaging that damn thing.
You want the dimple, don't you? It's
How's
just a
it
little
look?
bit low.
Okay. So that would explain why it's low on the other one. So let's get that in the center,
Okay.
and it's going to be the top
Right, you're gonna retract the top over.
knob just the smallest amount. And now it should move in two directions. Well, that's, you got up a little bit.
And more.
Yep.
Okay.
Is that near the
More?
center? I can't tell if it went up.
Went up a little bit. I'm up.
Okay.
Hold on.
Whoa, whoa,
Hold on.
whoa,
Whoa. Okay.
Oh,
Needs to come up just a skosh more.
Nope.
Okay.
Try it now. Put your tape on the bottom.
More tape.
There's plenty of tape
God,
there.
Look at that. Jeez, you
You're
know.
terrible Scottish man, you are.
No.
Hold
Oh,
on.
no. You're coming there. You go.
Okay.
Is that better?
Still too far to the right.
Well, it may always be to the right because of the way the mirrors align, but well, that's way the friggin' dog off. Okay,
Let me just raise.
now put your laser back in. The reason is this was off, and if that got adjusted, this gets changed.
Told me this.
Well, adjust your
Boy, this has some play in it here.
well, it does. It's very important that you install it correctly. Twist it as you put it in. That'll keep it true. There. Now adjust your mirror. That mirror.
Where do I need to go? That way?
I don't know. You're the one with the eyes and the turning. You had it better before. You're looking at that mirror. Look at this mirror.
How's that?
It's fairly close. All right.
You know what I could use? A piece of tape.
For L bottom. Get ready to blow on that so the mirror
Yep,
doesn't get all
yep,
dumped
yep.
up.
So a little eccentric. It's going forward and to the right.
I don't think it's possible to do what you just did.
Well, he did it.
No, 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 no.
Try it again.
Do me a favor. Instead of doing it left to right, do it front to back like this.
All right.
Is that locked down the head? I think it is, but I just want to make sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So you're ready to blow in there.
That looks needs to come this way.
Okay, it definitely, yep, definitely you're right.
One more. Okay. Better. Adjust it a little more.
Yeah. That one's in the center, so
You
it's,
see that?
it should be pretty straightforward. Up till you're about this far. The width of this key right here just happens to be the distance you want to be for this. Keep coming.
I see calibrate here.
Watch your head.
It should be lower than it, shouldn't it?
It should be with this. It should be right out there. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. One more. So this right here is actually, you get a little more room in the head. That's close.
Did you swap the battery out?
Yeah. Here. I'd go back over there until you have glasses on. He's running line.
Got glasses on.
Oh,
my
no, I just saw those.
Ooh.
Get that in there and I can get a shot. Huh?
There you go. Air pump. So you can put on air assist like that, but nothing's happening because it's not plugged in. Now I need a 220 volt air assist pump, which we don't have. Or do we? Did any of these pumps that we got come in at 220?
Somebody ask Joe or Sergey?
I thought Ely was here, but
Really?
Yes, I'm here. What happened?
these pumps. Did any of them come in that were set for 220 volts? Do you know?
No, I don't know.
That's a water pump.
It's a water pump.
All that we have, they've had a 110 volt sticker on the back of the machine. I've got a single by 10 110 volt. Yes.
It's water pumps.
Nice.
It kind of fits. I guess they want a tie wrap or something around it.
And that's air assist to what? Keep the flame extinguished and to keep the smoke from going up?
Exactly. It keeps the smoke from going into the optics, and it makes the. Should have some air coming out of the end of that too. Do you?
Yes.
Good. Because the last two units didn't have the tube connected down here. All right. You can.
Test?
Yeah, but we need something that's.
You have a piece of cardboard
It
or
should pop a
something?
little hole in there. Go ahead. There you go. See it? You see how small that is? Okay. So we're ready to do. Excuse me. I'm looking for the grading that we use. Take it down 100. 100 millimeters for me. Okay, bring it back up where it is. Actually, I'm going to put it on wood this time. So it's time to put the exhaust pipe on. Someone pull the exhaust pipe off of the fan. I don't know who would do such a thing.
And that's air assist to what? Keep the flame extinguished and to keep the smoke from going up?
Exactly. It keeps the smoke from going into the optics, and it makes the. Should have some air coming out of the end of that too. Do you?
Yes.
Good. Because the last two units didn't have the tube connected down here.
So you use white or green. That's easy. You was okay without it. So if you also like this one, it
Should be a switch on the.
I'm covered with it.
Oh, yeah, the exhaust system.
And put this out here, it's not just there, it was a dial right here.
Yeah, because the thing is, with the lasers, you're gonna, depending upon what you're cutting, you can get some noxious fumes, poison fumes.
This without this, yeah. So then, it's not gonna be this. It just has very good blue. I know what I'm saying, so there's something. Well, what I'm saying is it's something other than these two things will change.
You know where the gorilla tape
There's
is?
something else.
Shut, that drawer right there, next one down. No, next one down.
Yeah, well, you just add it to it when you put it up on that lid. Okay, so, Turn that off for now. Okay. We want to work in this area right here. So we have two choices. Project Composer. You can also, wait, go back to Comlink. Turn off the receive. Alright. Project Composer. Okay. Object. EXF. Go to SQL or Repicril. First prints. EXF. I thought you said the 0.
I don't know if I set the 0. No, I didn't set the 0. I did it before we put the Williams stuff on there.
Oh, shit. Well, it's a good thing that it was able to slide up, I guess. So, you need to loosen that screw in the back and push that down. Yeah, well, yeah. That's great. There you go. Right back up. And I need to do this one, because that one for sure came. Right there. All right. Get everything out. Oh, I know why.
10%.
Did they set the 0 tower?
No, but that's not really what's going on. Just never got reassigned. See how it's not docking?
Yeah.
After a reset, that could take after I did it. Oh, that's interesting. Let's close up the door so we're
background.
There we go. That's all I need.
So I need to change the firmware in that laser controller.
Where is that stored? You have one of those 3 boards for that?
Inside, you gotta open the lid to get to it. Not meant to change very often. Otherwise, you gotta wait a full minute after the last run before you can run it the next time. Which isn't ideal.
Is that a mistake or some safety feature you thought you might want, or?
When I moved the head from 16 to 41, so that it doesn't come on when you do a 1-0,
Right.
it took 16 seconds to recover before. Now it takes 41 seconds to recover. This is 1 second per head location. And actually, it's -10. So instead of it taking 6 seconds to recover, it now takes 35 seconds to recover. But I'm fixing that, so we'll take no seconds to recover. Here's where your video, here. You want,
I've got, no, I'm getting it.
okay. It's going to start to do that circle, and when it does, it's going to make this horrific jump. And that's all I need. I just need 5 seconds around the jump. So as soon as we kick this one to the packing guys, we're going to bring the other one in here and do just what we did with this one. So you're going to have double training.
Excellent.
And then when we're done with that, you can,
I can answer all my emails.
huh?
Then I can answer all my emails.
You'll have time now. There's going to be a couple hours. I'm going to go change the prom, change that
Okay.
around. Alignment-wise, it's working. It's going to get shook up. They got to go through the alignment process again. We got it close enough. Obviously, we wouldn't want them to do machining, so we got it close enough that there's just a little tweaking.
Right.
Hopefully.